Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I finally received my other mystery bag from FabFitFun for the add-ons. So now I can show you all of my different add-ons. So I have 3 different mystery bags plus some others. If you would like to know what I got, stay tuned. You guys, so again, my other mystery box that I was waiting on finally just arrived, so now I can actually do this video for you guys and show you all of the add-ons that I received. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through these 3 first. These are the mystery bags. These are all $29 each, and I believe this will have like a $100 value with 4 items in each one. Some are really good, some are really bad, and there's not really an in-between. Not that I've received. It's either good or it's horrible. So let's see what we have in this. This one right here, this is very small. There's just like these little tiny items versus like these. So I guess I'll go through this one first. Okay, so this is the first item. This says Pure Lip Restoration, and it looks like it's going to be like a lip balm. Applied to lips immediately to treat, and as needed to keep them soft, nourished, and glowing. Untinted, can also be massaged into cuticles and nails. Oh, that's neat. So let's see. So this is the actual packaging. And that's what it looks like. It kind of melted to the side, but there is that. And I don't even smell like a scent or anything. So you have a Skin Pure Lip Restoration that you can use on your nails or your cuticles. So number 1. Number 2 says Ish Nail Lacquer Trio. And there are the 3 different colors. They are very little. When they say mini, they mean mini. Maybe mini but mighty, I don't know. But there's the 3 different colors from this Ish Nail Polish set. Then we have this product right here. This goes around in subscription boxes a lot. I've received this quite a few times. I still haven't opened one. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this thing goes for about $100 retail value. And doesn't really do anything much for me. I forced myself to use it. So there's that. And then the last item is an Ish Lip Line. So like a lip liner. So it's in the color of champagne. Oh, it's a pretty color. Yeah, I can keep that. I'll work with that. Even though I don't do much with my lips, I want to at least keep one thing. This is like an orange, coppery, rusty kind of color. So there's the first mystery bag with just these 4 products right there. So now let's go with the next one. It must have a lot of Ish products. Here's an Ish Hydra Matte Lipstick. And this is in the color Risque. There's the packaging. And there's that. That looks like a really nice burgundy color. Ooh, let's see. It's like, I haven't seen a lipstick shaped like that. You see how it's kind of like circular, but it still goes to like a little point? That is really neat. It's like different sided. There you go. So you can see the different sides to it. They're like flat. That's really neat. Let's see what color this has got to be better than that copper liner. There we go. I think that's actually a pretty color. Then we have a probiotic and superfood. Oh, Tula Skincare. This is a face serum. I'm really excited about this. I've used Tula products and I really like them. So I'm actually excited about this one. This one's a good one. Yay. And this is a nice little glass bottle, and it says that it's an illuminating face serum. I'm excited about that. That and that lipstick. I don't know when I'll use that lipstick, but I'm actually excited to have another lipstick, I guess. Then we have Cha Cha Cleansing Foam and Cha Cha Gommage. Charming Charcoal Black Gommage Peeling Gel, and then Charming Charcoal Black Micro Foam Cleanser. So it's a two pack of 2 different types of products. And then the last item is here. This is Ish too. So here is the actual makeup case. It has the little handle, the double zippers. When you open it up, it's all open down here in the bottom. And then the top has a little area where you can put something that way, or you can put something inside this little flap. You can put your brushes. Oh, check it out. You put your handles in there, have it hold up here, and then this hold over it. So you can put your brushes up here and then all your makeup down in there. This is a nice makeup bag. So there's that. Really nice. Okay, so that is everything that came in the second mystery bundle. So now let's go with the third. And of course, it had to be another ish product. And this says lip line. This one's in the color Classy. Hopefully this is a better color. Yeah, this one's definitely a better color. It's like a burgundy. So it's right here. So that's that one. Then I have a Murad #1 Cleanse Skin Soothing Polish. Deeply exfoliates to clean pores and reduce excess oil. So there's this product. And there's that. Which I'm all for cleansers. Yeah, there's little tiny granule, like, it's like an exfoliator. There's like little tiny granule like sand in there, and I don't like using those. So all I did was kind of open it and pour a little bit out to fill that. So I'll go ahead and just save this for like a family member to use, because I don't, if you guys follow me, you know, I can't do that on my face. Personal preference, can't do it. But I do like Murad. It does smell, it smells nice and clean. So I know somebody's going to like it. It's just, I can't do those pieces. Ain't gonna happen. So there's the second item. The third one is going to be right here. This is the Beauty Corp. This is a Dawn Gazing palette. This looks very familiar. And there's that. Those colors are really pretty. I think though I have this palette for some reason. I don't know, I'll have to look, but there's that. And that's by the Beauty Corp. So then the last item is this right here. It says Small Heather Gray, and it's from Summer and Rose. It's like a weird material. I don't even know how to explain that material. Let's see, what is this? Yeah, it's like a duffel bag. It even has this thing that's attached, and you can like put like your wallet, your keys, toss your phone. You could toss something down inside of here. And if you wanted to remove it, you can. And then you can just put it right back. There's also longer straps that you can use as well that are adjustable. So that's down inside. There's two little pockets on the side. I don't want to get this on here, so hold on. There is a little thing here if you wanted to hang like your keys or something on that as well. And then I wish I knew what type of material this was. It's like a thick, I don't know. But this looks like maybe like a gym bag. So you can pop these up if you wanted them to go up higher. All right, now it's starting to make sense. There you go. And then right here is an actual zipper pocket. But it opens from the, why would you, what is that intended for? Why would you have a pocket that you can open from both sides? You know what I mean? Like what would that be? What's that intended for? I don't know. I've never seen that, to be quite honest, but you have a bottom zipper. I mean, it's not like this is reversible where you can use it upside down. I don't know. But if you keep the bottom one zipped, you can use this as a pocket. If your zipper comes open, then your stuff's gonna fall out of it. That just seems a little weird, but. And then these guys would go, oh, okay. So right here, where I said, oh, you can maybe hang like your keychain or whatever, this must be where you hang the handles for the bag, one on each side for these. So then when you zip it up, you can use it as a regular tote bag like that, or you can bring the sides down and snap them in. But this is like a really thick, I don't know what, it's like a stretchy, thick, I don't even know how to explain this material. Does it say anything on here? No, there's not like a tag that says, but I don't know what it's made out of, but it's a really nice bag, that's for sure. So the first one definitely I would say is the worst out of the three. And then I would still say the second one is my favorite because of this product right here. And then I really like this bag as well. So I'm gonna say my middle, the second mystery bag for me was the best. So you guys comment down below, which mystery bag did you like the best? Let me know. I also did get a few items if you do wanna see just a few other things that I purchased, some stuff for me or for gifts, that kind of thing. It's not a lot. Every time I always have to get sponge gel. This one right here was a 3-piece set. And these, it was a 3-pack, normally $48, and I got this for $21 for all 3. And this is in the scent Sugar Dahlia. It smells so good. And then this one right here is Eucalyptus Rain. This is just a single, and this one was normally $16 and I paid $7. Then because right now we do need this product and a lot of stores are sold out still here, so I went ahead and grabbed this hand sanitizer. This is by Grace and Stella hand sanitizer, normally $10 and I got it for $6. So this is perfect size to leave in my car because anytime I get in my car from someplace, I always wipe my hands down, wipe my mask down, that kind of thing. So I got that. Then I wanted this Sunday Riley because this was an amazing deal. This right here is the Sunday Riley product. It was normally $65 and I got it for $32. And it's completely in this bag. So let's see. So this is Title Brightening Enzymes Water Cream. And I love a water cream, you guys. It's like my favorite thing to use at night is water creams. So let's see. So it's in this box. There's this guy, and then here's like this little whoop-de-woo down there. So it's a little scooper outer for the product. So here's what that looks like. Very nice colors. I love the container. I know I do have the orange one. I don't remember what it's called, but I really do like that. So I'm really glad to get this one. Ooh, it's green. Ooh, and it has like a nice like scent to it, kind of like a cucumber. That smells really good. I can't wait to start using this on my face. And that's really cute that they have this little spatula little guy down here. Do you like dab it? Or I don't know how you that thing, but you know. So I had that. And again, I couldn't pass up the deal, normally $65 and I got it for $32. So Sunday Riley. And then the last item that I got, now when I first wanted to put this on my cart, it was sold out, like instantly it was sold out. So I went ahead and put it on my wish list. And with FabFitFun, anytime somebody puts it in their cart, it's gone. And then at the end of the time, they charge you for whatever's there. So a lot of people, they go through and they put a lot of things in their cart and then they'll go back and take some stuff out before it ends. So that if they don't want to pay that much or if they change their mind, that kind of thing. So I was hoping that this would be available again. So I kept checking, and then one time I checked and it was available again. So I finally got it. This right here is a 3-piece vase set, normally $34, and I got it for $17. And I'm really excited. Okay guys, so now that I removed them out of the box, are you ready? Let's see if I can hold all 3 of them at one time. These are all vases. And so they have the moon, the stars, galaxy, constellation, like everything is on there. Aren't those so cute? So there's blue, there's white, and then there's pink. But that is super cute, you guys. I have my 3-piece set of my vases. So you can use these for anything. You can use them for makeup brushes. You can use them to store crystals in, like I think I might. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I definitely wanted them so they can go in my crystal area where all my sun, moon, and stars are. I just thought these were so cute. Even if I only put like 1 or 2 of them, like the 2 blue ones, and then gift the pink one or something, I don't know. But I just really liked the set, and I was so glad that somebody took it out of their cart. So whoever took it out of their cart, thank you, because I got it. So that is everything, you guys. There's my 3 mystery boxes. There's my 2 sponge gel orders, 1 3-piece, 1 single, so there's 4. There's my vase set, my Sunday Riley product, and there you go. So that is everything that I got from my add-ons from the fall box. So you guys comment down below, let me know, do you get FabFitFun? Do you want to get FabFitFun? I do have them linked down below if you would like to check them out and save $10 off your first seasonal box. But yeah, comment down below. Let me know, did you get any add-ons? If you did you get any of the same items? If you got a mystery bag, did you get any of the same items in your mystery bag? Which mystery bags of mine did you like the best, and the items, that kind of thing? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.